Hello there, this is Michael from Trike Bike, and today I'm going to show a really important new addition to our range, and that is a folding adult tricycle. Comes in a bag like this. You can lift it up. It's just over 20 kilos. Let's get it out and we'll have a look. This tricycle is easy to move. It has a grab handle on the front we can just lift up. We've got wheels on the back which enable it to be rolled around, making it really easy to transport. To assemble this trike is really easy. We'll reach down. We're going to lower this back until it clips. We're going to come round behind, lift up the rear. That's now locked in place and ready to ride. So you'll see it's a 20-inch wheel, handmade in Italy. They're very, very good quality. They're over-engineered. They're just a really good quality trike. This one has a 6-speed gears. It's got folding pedals as well, so we can open these pedals. They fold away to make storage better, and yeah, we're ready to go. Now, so our 6-speed gear system is a twist throttle type, which makes it very easy to change gears. We've got 2 sets of brakes, including a parking brake on the front handlebar. So we just release that. Of course, to be legal in Australia, you've got to have a bell. We have a battery operated LED headlight. So on the rear, we've got a battery operated LED tail light, which just simply turns on and off. Have all the legal reflectors and everything. We also get with them a standard, the Blasi carry bag. So you can take that off. It just ties onto the bike frame using the clips underneath here. And you can take that off, do some shopping, put it back on and ride away. The seat is a really comfortable seat. It's got a gel memory foam inside it. So this type of tricycle is really ideal for caravanners, people that are living aboard boats and they don't have the storage room for a full-size tricycle. Okay, this seat is set a little bit high for Zara at the moment. The seat is adjustable up and down. But to show you how easy it is to fold it, she's never done this before, by the way, so hold the pedals. Okay, release the rear frame. That's it, pull it forward. Just release that. And now you let the front wheel go forward and just let it fold up. That's it. Yep, and walk it away. That's how easy it is. Lift them upwards and let the bike rotate backwards. That's it. Flip it into place. Perfect.